Hi, and thank you for joining me for some Monday motivation. So go ahead and start a little laundry because we're getting a few loads done today. And of course, I run out of laundry sanitizer, so I had to do a quick Target run, and I thought I'd pick up a few things I needed, like soda for the kids. These are my favorite granola bars. They are allergy friendly, and since they are so expensive all the time, these are the snack size boxes, like the classroom size ones. They only have them, I think, for Valentine's Day and Halloween. And usually 6-count regular size bars are like $4, which is so expensive. So this is a good deal because I think this is a $7 box. Rice Krispie treats for my son. These are my favorite allergy-friendly brownie, double chocolate, and then of course the laundry sanitizer, and I picked up some Lysol disinfectant spray for the bathroom. And then this is my favorite Febreze air scent, which is the Air Ocean. It smells so good. And then I also found the cutest spring stuff. This is supposed to be a bath towel, but I'm going to use it for a kitchen towel. And then these cute little egg holders, I think I'm going to use them to hold condiments. And then this hand towel was only $5. The little egg holders were $1. And then this soap dispenser, I do not recommend. I thought I was going to like it, but the actual nozzle sticks straight out and sprays soap all over you. This is the little $3 basket. I love this. I got it because I had the idea to put my snake plant in it, and I kind of like the look. I'm not sure, but I enjoy the little basket. I'm sure I'll find a little spot for it, but I'm still trying to decide if I like my plant in it or not. And then I decided on this bunny towel because it matches the other Valentine's towels that I had already purchased, and I think it just looks so cute together. I like to keep a whole bunch of towels on the front of my oven because I wash my hands a lot. I like to dry my hands a lot, and I think it just looks so cute, and I just love the bunnies. For dinner, I'm just going to do a quick casserole. I pulled some of this frozen beef out of the freezer. It's squished thin, so it defrosted basically while I ran to the store. I'm just going to brown it up real quick. After the meat is browned, I'll set a small portion aside to make my daughter like a special dairy-free version of this. But I just cook up some green veggie. For ours, I'm going to use the broccoli and then add a can of cream of mushroom soup. You can also add the milk in at this point. I just add a little cream cheese, and I like this casserole to be a little drier. If you like a little more of like a gravy or just like a thickness to it or a sauce, I would say go ahead and add in the milk. But like I just like this little bit of cream cheese. After it's all mixed and melted together, I'm just going to add the broccoli that I cooked and chopped up and stir it in. And then I'm going to add some of this Mexican style cheese blend and stir it in until it's all just combined. And then you are going to make sure that you coat a baking dish with non-stick cooking spray before putting the casserole into the baking dish. You're going to want to choose a baking dish that's kind of more deep because you're going to cover the top of this with tater tots, and the larger your baking dish is, the more tater tots you're going to need to cover the top with, so the more people it'll feed. But if you're only feeding a few people, make it deeper and you'll have less tater tots, and it'll be slightly smaller meal. I like to arrange all of the tater tots standing up. You can make them all down. It's really up to you how you want them to look. This is just the easiest way for me and the way that I like to cook them. So it's really up to you. Here it is, all completely covered with the tater tots, and I'm just going to put this into a 425 degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. You're more going to want to focus on the baking time and the baking temperature directions on your tater tots because they are what you are actually cooking in the oven. The meat and the veggies in the casserole are already cooked. Here is some zucchini that I am making for my daughter's casserole. Here I will use just some coconut creamer to make it, she likes it a little bit more watery, so it'll be a little more runny. And the same, I'm just going to stir in some of the non-dairy cheese that she has, the mozzarella shreds, and then stir it all in. Make sure it's all heated through and that the cheese is melted. I have to cook it a little longer because her non-dairy cheese is a little more hesitant when melting. It takes a little bit more cooking to melt it thoroughly. And then I'm just going to pour it into this smaller baking dish. I would say it's basically just a little I think some of the keys to motivation are always starting with small, manageable tasks to keep yourself going, and always make sure that you're giving yourself total and complete credit for all of the little accomplishments that you do make and get done throughout the day. You are enough, you are worth it, and you are doing an amazing job.